Is your computer running slow? Are you having a hard time getting into your conferences through Big Blue Button? Is it difficult to get into your Schoology class or maybe a Google Classroom? Well, this could be because you have way too many cookies saved on your computer. Nope, these aren't the cookies that the Cookie Monster eats or that your mom makes for you. These files are actually files that are downloaded from every single web page that you visit, and they help the page load quickly, as well as save some of the pertinent information for that page. So how we're going to go ahead and clean them out, because you need to do them periodically because we get too many of them, you're going to go up here to the very top where you see the three dots. You go ahead and click on those three dots, and then you're going to go down to where it says Settings. Click on Settings. And then right here, you're going to type the word in for cache. Please spell it like the way that I am in order to find that particular word in this section. We want to go ahead, it says here clear browsing data. That's what we want to do. Go ahead and click on that. Once you do that, it's going to open up where it has all of the browsing that you have done. Now, as you can see here, its default is last hour. We want to make sure we change this to where it says all time. That means it's going to clear all of your browsing information. Once I do that, now I'm going to hit the button that says clear data. You might actually see that you have a lot more files here because you haven't had a chance to clear them out. And it might take your computer a minute or so to do so, to clear them all out. So just go ahead and hit that button. And now that information is all cleared out, we can actually go ahead and log back into our email and back into Schoology. I really recommend that you do not do this process during your classes or in between the classes, just because what ends up happening is it does log you out of your big main things like Big Blue Button or out of your email or whatever it might be. So you're going to have to re-log in, and it might take a little bit longer to do that, and you might miss some of your class. So really do this process at the very end of your school day, so that way it's cleaned out for the next day. You're going to want to do this process about every other day to make sure that your computer doesn't get slowed down or bogged down by this additional information that your computer is automatically downloading and saving. So every other day is great. At the most, I would wait maybe a week, but you definitely want to make sure you keep this cleaned out as much as possible. That way your computer is not reading old files, and that way it's going to be as fast as it can be. I hope this helped you guys out, and I hope that you guys have a great and wonderful rest of your day. Bye.